Once a superbud, forever a superbud. Yes. Actually, that's where I first met the both of you. At the Superbuds judging table.
Super dad muna kami ngayon. Super dad.
Still super dads then. So speaking of that, how have your families responded to your new fitness journey?
Oh, you know my wife, when she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't gain weight again. Sabi niya, alam kong gwapo ka, mas gwapo ka na yun. Kulang pa yan. Hindi pa naman kasi tunay ko, gwapuhan ko naman. Kaya kung di ba, a little more. But more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah. And I'm almost 50. I'm almost there.
Almost 50. Tama, 44 ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one thing I realized at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. I feel stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for everyone here watching us now, our friends in the media, people taking videos, they'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi na pag-Christmas na, sasabihin naman natin, palalagpasin ko rin Christmas, January I'll start again, diba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na yung Christmas, bibigay mo na ng lahat. It's a lifestyle really. It's a really change of a lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge ako, talagang binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin yun. And she would stop me. Sinasabi na tama na yan, diba? Parang alam mo na yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon, diba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman napanood, diba? Nang tayo ng mga bata pa.
Yun!
Pag nakita mo ulit siya, delikado tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung mga asawa namin, sabi namin, gusto niyo ba talaga gumadig katawan natin?
Alam mo, yun sinabi ko kay Lucy.
Diba?
Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Lucy, ang problema na ito. Pag nakita mo naman, gumanda naman katawan ka. Mamaya, baka naman may lalapit sa baka may selos ka. Baka naman magkakagulo mamaya dyan.
Diba? Sabi ko pala nga.
I'm thinking about your mental health. Hindi kita pahirapan.
I love it. So very sensitive to the feelings of your families. That's beautiful. And we will get to know our ambassadors a little bit more later. So I urge you all to start thinking of your questions for our question and answer portion. Yes, we do. Because we have another segment right now. We're playing another game. But this time, it is for our ambassadors, and it is this or that.